Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money with artificial intelligence, even if you have zero experience. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to be a programmer or a tech genius. Just follow me step by step, and I'll walk you through 5 real and proven ways to earn with AI. Before we jump into the methods, let's get one thing clear. AI isn't just a tool, it's an opportunity. Step 1. Choose your field. Are you into design, writing, video creation? Each of these paths can lead to a completely different income stream. Step 2. Learn the core tools. Start with platforms like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway, and Claude. These tools can help you write scripts, design images, or even automate coding. Step 3. Build and publish. While you're learning, start creating samples. Your early projects are your future portfolio. The first method is content creation with AI. Use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Midjourney to create social media posts, blog articles, or thumbnails for brands. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork are already making steady income doing exactly this. The second method is AI video production. With sites like Runway or Pika Labs, you can turn text into stunning videos, perfect for TikTok, YouTube, or ads. If you know how to combine scripts, visuals, and voice, you can easily make hundreds of dollars a month. Method number 3. Selling prompts. Prompts are the secret commands behind great AI outputs, and people are buying them. On sites like PromptBase, creators sell prompts for $20 to $50 each. If you know how to craft results that impress, this can be a simple yet profitable side hustle. Fourth, automating businesses with AI. You can build chatbots, automated email systems, or social media posting tools for small companies. Businesses are willing to pay a lot for solutions that save them time and money. And finally, the fifth method, teaching or consulting. Once you've mastered AI tools, you can start coaching others or build your own online course. Education in AI is one of the fastest growing markets in 2025, and it's only getting bigger. Now it's your turn. Pick one of these 5 paths, commit to it for 30 days, and watch how fast things change. Remember, AI won't replace people. It'll replace people who don't use it. If you want me to create full step-by-step tutorials for each of these methods, drop a comment below and say, "Let's start."